this is Jennifer. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video, we are going to do a morning rise, shine, and shimmy routine to really wake you up, get you energized, get your body and your blood moving, and have some fun first thing in the day. I did another video like this before. A lot of people loved it, so I'm doing it again. I'll put the link to that video in the description box. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Jennifer, and the Feminine Fire channel is all about helping you to be a woman on fire in all aspects of your life. If you want to be guided through your belly dance journey and improve your skills and gain confidence, then go ahead and check out my Feminine Fire membership. You can join for only $1 and get a 14-day trial. So I hope to see you inside, and let's get started. All right, welcome, and thanks for joining me and waking up this morning. Let's take a nice deep breath in and out, and breathe it in and out. All right, let's just take a step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, and just let your upper body sway. You can just do a little bit of a hip slide, rib cage slide. Good. Just warming up here. Let's take our shoulders and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's do some hip circles, front and back. Front, back, front, back, front, and switch. Breathing. You can even connect your breath to this movement. You can go inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Let's do what's called an Egyptian shimmy. So our knees are just going back. This is a great way to just wake up your energy, get the blood flow, get the chi, the energy moving throughout the body. You could even shift your weight from side to side and let your hips release. Good. You could even add some arms. Good, we're gonna do some shoulder rolls. So our shoulder goes front and back, front and back, front and back. But this movement is really coming from the shoulder blade in the back. Good, let's go. Taking nice deep breaths. You could even make this more of a snake arm if you want. Just have fun with it. We're just waking up the body. Let's go back to our lower body. Let's do front to back figure 8. So we twist, slide, twist, slide, twist, slide. I'll show you from the side. Twist, slide, twist, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do double time on this, or keep it regular time. Let's do our circles, front to back, and switch. Okay, we're gonna put a little combo together here. We're gonna go figure 8 for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's kind of fast, fast, slow. Fast, fast, slow. Fast, fast, slow. Fast, fast, slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to add on. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter which side you start with first. Figure 8 for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, slow. Arms, do whatever you like. Good, now we're gonna just shimmy, and you can just do whatever you want here with your arms. Last time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shimmy for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do one more time, because I'm having fun. Hope you are too. And shimmy for 8. Great job. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.